Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, that's right, you know the drill. We got to talk about yesterday's. If you had a chance to listen to yesterday's whisper, it was packed with stocks yesterday. The first one we were watching was AMD, and I told you to keep your eye on that 14.30 level. This is where we spotted a huge offer on the ECM book, and you can see it's still stuck there right now. So my traders were rocking this on both sides. Actually, Kenneth, Jay, and myself rocked this as a swing trade, getting out at 14.30. It came right to this upper resistance trend line where it hit its head, came down below the 14.30 level, and Robert, aka the Rockstar, shorted this below that 14.30 level. Fantastic trade, Robert. Also, we were rocking gold yesterday on the short side. Remember the level yesterday was 24.62. That was a key level. And right off the bat, she came all the way down through there. And a lot of my traders were rocking this one. Omar, Daniel, they were rocking it on the short side. Now, we had some really large market on close prints on GDX at the 24.33 level. So I've drawn a line here. Key level. As long as we stay above 24.33, I love it. I actually developed a high volume hammer here right on this trend line that I've drawn. So as long as she stays above 24.33, that's going to be a key level. I just want to bring to your attention the futures. These are the gold futures. We just hit Camarilla resistance, so we could have a little bit of a pullback, but this 12.50 level is a key level. If we can break and close above that, then we're going to go much higher on the gold futures. All right, so yesterday we had other stocks that we were watching. STM, we've been loving this thing in the pit, and my traders were rocking this one. Blanca had a fantastic trade on this. I had a great swing on this. A lot of my traders are still in it. We spotted Prince yesterday at about 14.95, and she's still going. There's still more room before we hit this upper resistance. I want to say about 15.40-ish, 15.50 level, but we always trade around the Prince there. And also we were watching the VXX yesterday. We spotted a very large print the day before, 999,000 shares to be exact, at 17.59. Well, we spotted a 1.4 million print yesterday at 17.88, exactly where we are right now. So just keep your eye on fear. Watch that 18 level. Again, this isn't something that you hold on to. It decays over time, but when we start to get large, very large dark pull prints on it, we definitely pay attention to that. And also Duncan, we had some large prints on Duncan at 54.85. This was a fantastic short for myself yesterday in the pit, and I know that Bill P is also in this. We are currently below the prints. 54 is my first target down here. Now, if it does close above 55, I will turn very bullish on this above the print. So keep around that. So my traders were really rocking it yesterday, but one trader this week has been absolutely killing it. Her name is Lorraine. She's a newbie to our trading room, but she's definitely not a new trader. This girl was smoking hot again yesterday. Trip, STM, Nike, WLL was a fantastic trade for us off those prints yesterday. So congratulations, Lorraine. We're so proud of you, and thank you for your call outs in the room. They are much appreciated. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, I got this massive print sitting right here, CNHI. You can see it in my time and sales window. I'll even blow that up for you. FADF, that is the dark pool exchange. A lot of people say you can't see these trades. I'm showing you right now you can. You can also see it in my block trade indicator, which has dark pool data feed. 3.5 million shares at 940. This is going to move. Now here's the trade setup for this. I'm going to be bearish, of course, below the print, below 936. I do have a target of 9.125. However, I like to be prepared on both sides. So if she can break above 950, all right, I have a trade set up to about 975 on the long side. But also a stock related to this same sector, Deere. We had massive prints on Deere yesterday at 109.46. All right, so there's definitely a pattern going on here. Going to be bearish below 109.40. I'm going to be bullish only above 109.50 and also 110, key level. Tell you what, it really would have to break above 110, and then I would put a long position on Deere. Okay, they're a very big print, so it could have a little bit of a wiggle room. But if she can break above 110, I'm bullish, and I am bearish below, let's say 109 area on that. Also, we have natural gas numbers coming out to today. Let me just put up UNG. We do have a nice combination right here. Seller's exhaustion candle and kind of an inverted hammer. And we have prints yesterday at 660. Key level. After those numbers come out, if we can stay above 660, I'm bullish. If we break below 650, I will turn bearish on natural gas. And of course, we'll see what comes in there. Also, we had a massive print yesterday on LLTC. We had prints at 64.65. Okay, I drew a line there. Going to be bullish. Only really above 65 on this. This is more of a swing trade based on the prints. So if she can close above 65, would be bullish. Bearish below 64.50. We also had some decent prints on AKS yesterday at 880 and 875. So going to be bullish only above 880, bearish below 874. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more all day long. We got prints coming in. We're trading live all day. Come join us. It's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. You got nothing to lose. Happy trading, everybody.